folks, I have a tenor to show you today, number 820. And this is for our friend Avery Hill. She's a teacher and a singer and songwriter from Portland, and we've worked with her at a number of music events. She's making a new record this summer, and I really wanted to get this done in time for her to put on the new record, so we'll see if that works out. She came up earlier in the year, and we picked out some wood. The back and sides are some curly walnut. And this stuff came from a tree that came down here in Hood River, and I was able to harvest it to make stuff out of. It's very curly and funky, really beautiful walnut. And I just did walnut binding on the top. I didn't do any binding on the back. Just simpler this way. And the top is some beautiful western red cedar. It's almost like bear claw figure. I don't know what to call it. It's from a water tank that originally was up in Seattle, and then it got taken down and then taken to Vashon Island, and then it was put back up and served as a water tower for a long time, and then was taken down, and some folks I know there have the cedar from it. So it's salvaged wood. I mean, it's 100 and something years old, so there's little marks here and there on it that show its age and beauty and that it was used before, but we're giving it its third life now. And it always sounds good. We used walnut up here for everything. More walnut from here in Hood River. And then a salvaged fir neck with a walnut stripe. And this fir comes from an old floor joist. She has a low G on her instrument and a pickup, of course. Geared tuners, bone nut and saddle. Sorry, I got distracted. So the thing about cedar and walnut is like, it's rich and dark, but it's got a like crispness to it. It's got like a breath to the attack that I just really like. So I kind of got wrapped up thinking about that while I was playing. Anyway, I hope she likes it. I hope it works out for her. I'm happy to make an instrument for anybody, but especially for a friend and a great artist. It's always a pleasure. So 820. Cheers.